This tutorial review will show you how to fix this site can't be reached problem in Android. So the first solution is clear browsing history. To do that, open your browser, tap on this three dot at the top right, tap on settings, tap on privacy and security, tap on clear browsing data, and here make sure to select all of these boxes and tap on clear data. And it may take some time to clear your browser history. Once done, check the problem if fixed or not. If this solution didn't work for you, then follow the next solution. The second solution is use secure DNS. Go to your browser, tap on this three dot at the top right, tap on settings, tap on privacy and security, tap on use secure DNS, tap on choose another provider, tap on custom, and from here select open DNS, and then try to reopen the site and hope this will fix the problem. And the last and final solution is using a VPN. So you have to install a VPN from Play Store. To do that, go to your Play Store, search for SuperVPN, and all you have to need just install this VPN, then open the VPN app, connect the VPN and go to your browser, try to reopen the site. So this is how we can fix this problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.